Today, Johnny, my man, how are you?
Good, man.
The last time we rode together, we did the wing challenge.
Yeah.
And you passed it with flying colors. You killed it. It was 300,000 Scoville units, and you ate it like it was nothing, man. I gotta knock you down a little bit. So I got a surprise for you. We're gonna ride around a little bit, and then we're gonna go down to Cook's Corner. I'm gonna show you what it is that you're doing today. You're not gonna like it, Johnny. And afterwards, I'm gonna treat you to a burrito of your choice.
All right, whatever it is, I'll give it a shot.
Oh, Johnny's in for it today. I have no hope for him. Not even a little bit. The challenge that I had for him today, it's that one chip challenge. You know, the one that's been circulating all over the internet. And like I was saying, the last challenge he did at Buffalo Wild Wings, it was 300,000 Scovilles. This new challenge, 1.9 million Scovilles. He's in for it. He's in for it. So don't miss this one. Stick with me. You're about to see a grown man cry. Johnny's on his DRZ today, and I'm on my trusty old GSX-R 750. Before we get too far along in the video, I want to thank all the patrons of the channel. You see your name up here on the screen right now. You're extra special to me. I appreciate the support, and I need it. Thank you. Get out of here, Prius. If Johnny passes this challenge, I don't know what's left. I don't know what could be any hotter. Hopefully he fails, and then we can dial the challenges back a little bit. So if he throws up, it's an immediate fail. If he drinks liquid, we'll call it an immediate fail too. He'll eat the chip, and then we'll give him 5 minutes to not drink anything. Are you familiar with this one chip challenge?
I'm familiar with it, but I've never tried it personally.
What do you think?
I have no idea what to expect.
The Buffalo Wild Wing Blazing Challenge was 300,000 Scovilles, right?
Yep.
1.9 million.
Wow. I'm down to try it, man.
How do you think you're gonna do?
I have no idea.
You're gonna eat this chip. I'm gonna set a timer to 5 minutes. I'm gonna place a cup of water in front of you and a cold beer in front of you. You are not allowed to touch either one for 5 minutes.
Okay.
Whole thing, chow it down. You got that little guy. Timer starts. 5 minutes. What are you feeling, Johnny?
It's ramping up. Just try not to think about it.
Is this the hottest thing you've ever eaten?
Quite possibly. Oh man, it's ramping up a lot.
Let's see your eyes. How you doing? You gonna be all right? Are you okay, for real? Should we call it quits?
No.
2 minutes.
My stomach hurts so much.
Your eyes are bloodshot red. Look at the camera. Holy hell. Hottest thing you ever ate?
Yeah. Yeah.
You got it. You got it.
I can't even talk right now, dude.
Not even celebrating.
My stomach is on fire, my mouth's on fire.
You want me to get you some milk?
They have it.
By far the most insane thing you've ever eaten.
Yeah.
Would you do it again?
we?
So it's been like 30 minutes. How you doing?
I feel sick. I don't know what to do.
Johnny, you did it. Dude, I thought you puked, but you didn't.
No, almost.
Almost? How close?
I thought I was gonna puke, but I don't know, I somehow held it.
Muscled through it, my man. You've completed the hottest challenge that I could find for you. Again, I'm super impressed. I've watched a lot of videos on the internet of people failing this challenge, and you killed it. You killed it without any preparation. Like I said, I promised to take you to go get a glorious burrito. Where do you want to go?
Los Primos is right up the corner, right?
I like that spot. That's a good spot. All right, let's eat. I gotta tell you, man, I didn't have high hopes for Johnny. He did it though. I am impressed. This place, Primos, dude, they got some killer burritos. They've got these burritos that have burritos inside of burritos. They're massive. Primos, I like this spot. How you feeling now?
Hopefully this will help.
Usually burritos upset your stomach. Primos, what'd you think?
Good.
You've been here before, man. This is one of your spots. But when the lady brought your burrito out, you were a little surprised. You didn't think it was going to be that big.
That was my first time ordering the monster burrito. I wasn't expecting that. So.
That was huge. You got the monster Cali burrito. I got a regular size Cali burrito and a small drink. Came up to 28 bucks.
Not cheap.
Not cheap, but you deserve the prize. All right, fun day riding around with Johnny as usual. I feel like we accomplished a little something today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell, otherwise YouTube won't let you know that I'm releasing videos. Lots of love to the patrons of the channel. You know who you are. Love each and every one of you. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. I got some good stuff going on there. I do have a second channel. It's all dirt bike stuff. We have a good time. A lot of dysfunction, a lot of crashing. Just make sure to support the channel partners. Law offices of Henry Haddad, Chaparral Moto, Voss Helmets, LUIMOTO. Love you all. I'll see you next week. Later.